Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to scan QR codes with the Samsung Galaxy A04s device help. So just to do that, we should first open notification panel shortcuts, and here on the panel find the scan QR codes icon. Just tap on this icon to activate the option, and after that we should just place our QR code here into this frame to find it. So now let's just do that. Wait a second. Here we can see that our device find this link. This is the Wikipedia article. We can open it in the browser directly or just to copy it to share with someone. So let's just click to open it. And we can check and see that this is this QR code Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.